Hey there, Fact Fusion fans. Have you ever wondered how animals talk to each other? They don't use words like us, but they have their own amazing ways of communicating. From dancing bees to singing whales, the animal kingdom is full of incredible communication methods. Today, we're going to explore 5 of the most fascinating ways animals communicate. So let's dive in and discover how our furry, feathered, and finned friends share their messages. 1. Bees and their waggle dance. Bees are incredible creatures with a unique way of communicating. When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar, it returns to the hive and performs a special dance called the waggle dance. This dance isn't just for fun, it's packed with important information. The bee waggles its body and moves in a figure-8 pattern. The direction of the dance tells the other bees where the nectar is located. If the bee waggles straight up the hive, it means the food source is in the direction of the sun. If it waggles at an angle, the bees know to fly at that angle relative to the sun. The number of waggles in the middle of the dance tells the other bees how far away the food is. More waggles mean a greater distance. It's like giving directions to a party, complete with a map and distance markers. This dance helps the hive find food efficiently, ensuring the survival of the colony. Isn't it amazing how such a small creature can communicate so effectively? 2. Dolphins and their signature whistles. Dolphins are known for being highly intelligent, and their communication skills are just one reason why. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle, much like a human name. These signature whistles help dolphins identify and call out to each other. When a dolphin hears its whistle, it knows it's being addressed. Dolphins also use clicks and other sounds to communicate, navigate, and hunt. They produce these sounds using their blowholes, and the clicks help them echolocate or see with sound underwater. They can even mimic the whistles of their friends and family members. Dolphins are social animals and live in groups called pods, where they communicate constantly to coordinate activities, care for young, and maintain social bonds. This ability to recognize and replicate sounds shows just how complex and social dolphins really are. Next time you see a dolphin, remember they're not just playing, they're talking too. Number 3. Elephants and their deep rumbles. Elephants are majestic giants with a heartwarming way of staying in touch. They use low-frequency sounds called infrasound that can travel over several miles. These deep rumbles are so low-pitched that humans can't hear them without special equipment. Elephants use these sounds to communicate with their herd, sending messages about danger, food, and even social calls. Mothers and calves stay connected through these rumbles, ensuring the young ones are always safe. The infrasound also helps elephants find mates and maintain strong family bonds. These vocalizations are produced in the larynx and can convey a variety of messages, from greetings to warnings. In addition to rumbles, elephants use a range of other sounds like trumpets, grunts, and roars, each serving a specific purpose. Their communication system is a beautiful example of how animals use sound to create and maintain relationships. 4. Fireflies and their light shows. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, put on a spectacular light show to communicate. These insects use bioluminescence to attract mates and communicate with each other. Each species of firefly has its own unique flashing pattern, like a secret code. Males fly around, flashing their lights in a specific rhythm, hoping to catch the attention of a female. If a female likes what she sees, she'll flash back in the same pattern. This light-based communication ensures that fireflies find the right mate. The light is produced through a chemical reaction in the firefly's abdomen, involving a substance called luciferin. This reaction is incredibly efficient, producing almost no heat. Fireflies can also use their lights to deter predators, signaling that they are toxic and not worth eating. It's a beautiful dance of lights that lights up warm summer nights and fascinates anyone lucky enough to witness it. Number 5. Whales and their songs. Whales, especially humpback whales, are the singers of the sea. They produce long, complex songs that can be heard for miles underwater. These songs are made up of moans, howls, and cries, creating a melody that can last for hours. Whales sing to communicate with each other, attract mates, and even navigate the vast oceans. Each population of humpback whales has its own unique song, which can change over time. Scientists believe that these songs help whales keep track of each other and maintain social bonds. The songs can be incredibly intricate, with different themes and patterns that are repeated and varied. Listening to whale songs is like hearing a symphony from the deep, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the ocean. Some researchers think that whale songs might also help them find food by coordinating group hunting strategies. This melodic communication showcases the intelligence and social nature of these magnificent creatures. Number 6. Birds and their colorful displays. Birds are known for their beautiful songs, but many species also use visual signals to communicate. One of the most fascinating examples is the peacock. Male peacocks have large, colorful tail feathers that they fan out to impress females. The bright colors and eye-catching patterns are a sign of a healthy and strong mate. This display is not just about beauty. It's also a form of communication that tells the female peacock that the male is in good health and has good genes. In addition to visual displays, birds use body language, such as puffing up their feathers or spreading their wings, to show dominance or attract a mate. These visual signals are crucial in the world of birds, where being seen can be just as important as being heard. The vibrant colors and elaborate dances make bird communication a dazzling spectacle to behold. Number 7. Prairie dogs and their detailed language. Prairie dogs, small burrowing rodents found in North America, have one of the most sophisticated vocal communication systems in the animal kingdom. They use a series of chirps, barks, and whistles to warn each other about approaching predators. Remarkably, prairie dogs can convey detailed information about the predator, such as its size, shape, color, and speed. For example, they have different calls for a hawk, a human, or a coyote, and can even describe whether the human is carrying a gun. These alarm calls help the colony take appropriate action, whether it's diving into their burrows or standing guard. Scientists studying prairie dogs have been amazed at the complexity and specificity of their language, which rivals that of some primates. This intricate system of communication ensures the safety and survival of the colony in their vulnerable open habitat. And there you have it, the 7 most fascinating animal communication methods. From the waggle dance of bees to the detailed language of prairie dogs, animals have developed some truly amazing ways to share information and connect with each other. These communication methods not only help them survive, but also highlight the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. We hope you enjoyed learning about these extraordinary creatures and their unique ways of talking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.